Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Clyde Tech. Today I'll be showing you how to turn off mic on TikTok Live. Before that, please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Okay, this is what you're going to do when you have TikTok Live and you want to leave the mic to be off. It is very easy for you to do that. The steps are: tap on your profile, then tap on the three dots in the right corner of the screen, tap on Creator Tools, tap on Live Gates, then tap on Go Live. Only this time, Go Live. Then on Go Live now, tap on under the screen and camera, you tap on Live. Then tap on Go Live. Tap on Go Live. Allow TikTok find connect, allow. Then there are options below icons below the screen, like guest, host, subscription, content, more. Tap on more. Under more, you see flame camera, mirror your video microphone. Tap on mute microphone if you want it to be mute. Mine is already mute, so I'm going to leave it like that. I want it to be on. I toggle for it to be on, but now I want it to be off. That's why I left. Otherwise, I'm going to leave it like that to be off. So guys, that's it on how to turn off your mic on TikTok Live program. TikTok Live. If this video was helpful, please do want to like, subscribe.